Hi everyone.
Hello.
Welcome to our beginner level 2. We are Annapolis Valley Dance Company. I am Aurora.
Stuart.
And right now we're going to begin with our lesson 1 for beginner level 2, which is the cross step, and this is Bachata. So let us just show you how this goes. Then we'll break it down. Starting in an open handhold position with palm to palm, we're going to take our basic steps and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to go into our cross step. The lead is going to take a step out on the 1, rotate the frame, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's break it down. So first of all, for the lead's footwork, as always, we're going to begin traveling on our left foot on the 1. We're going to make sure we have a nice frame, which we will be using for this move. And on 5, 6, 7, 8, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Starting with a basic step. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, we're going to step to the side on 1. We're going to rotate the frame on 2. And as we do that, we're going to cross in front of the body with the right foot and then complete with a tap. So let's try that again. It's going to look like this in time. Basic, then a cross step?
You got it.
Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we want to make sure that we're not crossing the body too close so that we're cutting ourselves off. We want to make sure that we're taking that step to the side, we are rotating the frame, and as you can see, I'm bringing my leg forward, crossing, and stepping to the side to complete my basic. That way, you're not going to have a closed, kind of awkward experience. It's going to feel nice and flowy as you travel. Okay? So for the follow, you're just mirroring that. Let's show them what the follow is doing. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the follow is going to be crossing behind the body. So step to the side, 2 behind the body, 3, tap, 4, and complete. 6, 7, 8. Any other things to add?
It's all about frame for this one. It's all about that upper body frame, or else it doesn't register at all.
It's true. And how we communicate the frame for this, we'll just show you. So because this is a palm-to-palm hand position, we both have a slight bend in our elbow. Our frame is engaged so we can feel that lovely line up the arm, across the chest, connecting down to the opposite side. So now there's enough resistance here in the frame that when he rotates his upper body, I'm going to naturally rotate mine. I'm not rotating my pelvis until he rotates his pelvis and he takes that step forward. So let's just break this down real slow. You're going to take a step to the side. You're going to rotate. Yes, I can feel that. So now it's natural for me to do this and complete.